fam, how are you doing? Welcome to my Fitness Friday. I hope that you're ready for this workout. The last video that I shared was my 2 weeks abs challenge by Chloe Ting, and I hope you guys watched it. If you didn't watch it, click on that link above. So this month of June, I'm going to be doing different workouts, and these are not necessarily working on for one area, like working for maybe abs alone, but I'm going to share with you workouts that are going to touch on your butt, they're going to touch on your arms, and also of course your abs, because that is what I'm working on. I'm working on maintaining my abs. And something else that you guys need to know is that I am not a certified fitness instructor. So if you want to try these workouts at home, just do it at your own risk. But the only thing the reason why I share with you these things are things that are working for me, and I just, they're things that I've googled online. They're things that, of course, when I used to go to the gym, I used to get instructed by our instructor then. And yeah, so I think they're just things that, I'm doing it out of passion. So I just want to put it out there so that you know, and not work out with me thinking I'm a certified fitness instructor. So instead of talking too much, we're going to go straight into it, good people, and we're gonna start with warm-up as usual. But my warm-up for today, not too tense. Like for this month, is going to be very simple warm-up. So let's get going. So my good people, not too much warm up this time round, because remember guys, you just need to, when you warm up your body, of course I think I've warmed up this body, I've been moving around a lot trying to set this camera, but it's fine. It's fine. So that is all we're going to do, like warm up for this body for today, and then we're gonna start with our workouts. There are only 5 workouts. I don't know if I should make them 6 or rather say that they are 6, because the last workout, which is the 6th one, is 1 minute plank. Like the last workout is 1 minute plank, and it's something we'll be doing every single day. So we shall start with this. We're doing 30 of each, and I just want us to do them all at once, like 30 workouts all at once, and that's what we're gonna do. So we shall start with the workouts, and the first workout is this one.
Don't
31. So the next workout is what you're going to see right now, and it's for the butt. Make sure you squeeze your butt as you take it up. Oh, Jesus Christ, my thighs are burning and they're hurting, and this is when you need to continue. You're on 20.
Never taking whatever you told me. I know what I could be. Making emotion paintable.
The thing is, if you find them really hard, what you can be doing is maybe break them down, like do 15, 15, 15 of everything, and then you do again 15, 15, 15, 15 of everything. Cool, people? Yeah, whatever works for you. So that's it for today's workout. Yes, but I'm going to do like just simple stretches, you know. So let's do this.
Now I'm lonely in the dark. I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love.
So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this particular workout, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do. And until next week on Friday, good people, kisses to you.